अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ मोस्ट रिपीटेड जनरल नॉलेज क्वेश्चंस फॉर पीपीएससी अपकमिंग जीके पेपर, जिसमें एसटीईओ पीरा का भी जीके पेपर शामिल है। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज़ है, सोनोरान इज़ अ डेजर्ट प्रेजेंट इन मैक्सिको। ग्रेट विक्टोरिया डेजर्ट इज़ प्रेजेंट इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया। हाउ मच द वर्ल्ड इज़ कवर्ड विद डेजर्ट्स? 1/5. The second largest desert in the world is Arabian Desert. African Fund has been created by OAU. Pedagogy is the science of teaching. About dash percent of total calcium present in the human body is in the blood, 1%. Name the capital of Iceland, Reykjavik. Who wrote Sasipunu? Hashim Shah. The Earth's rotation on its axis is from west to east. Digital computer was invented by Vincent Atanasoff. Dixon is seaport of Malaysia. Brest is the name of city. Mississippi is in USA. Volga river is in Russia. Bulan Pass is in which range? Suleiman range. How many members of Interpol? 190. Red Scare is in Russia. Bukhara is in Uzbekistan. Hitler belongs to Germany. Headquarter of SARC is in Kathmandu. The famous lake Saiful Malok is situated in Kagan Valley. Friends, Not Masters, a book written by General Ayub Khan. Yuan is the currency of China. Anwar Sadat got Nobel Prize for Peace. Spirit of Islam was written by Justice Amir Ali. Rohtas Fort was built by Sher Shah Suri. Al-Azhar University is in Cairo, in Egypt. Which city is located in two continents? Istanbul. Quaid-e-Azam presented his famous 14 points on 31st of March 1929. ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine. Who presented the law of falling bodies? Newton. Shakespeare belongs to England. Died on 23rd of April 1616, and birth date is 26th of April 1564. Lionel Messi is a famous footballer. Rand is the currency of South Africa. Who said, "Where wealth accumulates, men decay"? Goldsmith. Who was the first United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights? Jose Ayla Lasso. The Treaty of European Union 1992 is also known as Maastricht Treaty. When a gas turns into a liquid, the process is called condensation. The total percentage of silicon in earth crust is 27.72%. The Iran-Pakistan-India gas pipeline is also known as Peace Pipeline. The first parliamentary elections in Afghanistan were held in 2005. The capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires. Which is the largest country in Africa? Algeria. Largest country of Africa by area is Algeria, and by population is Nigeria. Name the currency of Sri Lanka. Rupiah. Kalabagh is in district Miawali. Kila Katas is near Chakwal. Khevda is in district Jhelum. Son river flows near Rawalpindi. 1 hectare is approximately equal to 2.5 acre. The United Nations Human Rights Commission is based in Geneva. Diesel engine was invented by Rodolphe Diesel. Rocket was invented by Dr. Robert Goddard. Tropic of Cancer is imaginary line on globe. Which is the biggest ocean of the world? Pacific. Highest mountain range in the world? Himalaya. Vienna is on Danube River. Dait is the parliament name of Japan. National flower of Iran, red rose. Big Ben is the name of a clock. Key of Mediterranean is Gibraltar. City of Seven Hills is Rome. The 1965 war continued for 17 days. K in Pakistan stands for Kashmir. Which city is called Forbidden City? Lhasa. Which city is called the Gateway of India? Mumbai. Hamas was founded in 1987 by Sheikh Ahmed Yassin. Nippon is stock exchange market of Tokyo. Almost 40% of the world's oil supply passes through the Strait of Hormuz. The headquarters of IMF is located at Washington, D.C. The biggest bird is ostrich. The famous city Waterloo is in Belgium. Human Rights Day is on 10th of December. India became a member of United Nations on 26th of June. Baath is an Arabic word. It means resurrection. What is the name of SARC magazine Spectrum? The length of Karakoram Highway in Pakistan is N35, 1300 km. When did Turkey invade Cyprus? In 1974. Temple Trees is an official residence of Prime Minister of Sri Lanka. Faiz Ahmed Faiz, famous Urdu poet, died in 1984 on 20th of November 1984. How many times Allahu Akbar came in Azan? 6 times. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, died on 8th of June 632 AD. Oscar Awards were instituted in 1929. Which is the largest landlocked country of the world? Mongolia. Which metal was first discovered by man? Copper. Shakespeare was born in 1564. Richter scale is used for measuring intensity and earthquakes. The world's famous bridge, Golden Gate, is located in San Francisco. Kamal Ataturk abolished Khilafat in 1924. Emperor Babur buried in Kabul. Karachi nuclear power plant was built with the assistance of Canada. The only vitamin which cannot be stored in human body is vitamin C. 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kilogram. Reign of terror belongs to France. The last king of Afghanistan was Muhammad Zahir Shah. The world's oldest parliament, found in the year 930 AD, is Althing of Iceland. First railroad was introduced in a country, UK. Luari Pass connects Dir with Chitral. Circumference of Earth is around 40,075 km. The deepest point in the Pacific Ocean, Mariana Trench. Pakistan becomes a member of United Nations on 30th of September 1947.